We went to the balcony room. The observatory, if you will.
No.
It's the hospital. I lied.
Good. Ooh.
No, I fell out again. My poor ankles. I think I got all the windows up here. Oh. Please, where's the cassette? I'm gonna snap. Did you find the hospital? Is that the hospital one?
Yep, get well soon.
There we go, broke that window. Oh, Teddy Bear, where are you? Hey, catch! Oh,
Already blown up.
it's okay, I already fell. I mute my cassette. What happened to you?
I was rolling around the office building to get up the stairs and I just rolled out the window.
Huh. I set him down perfectly.
You suck.
What do you mean?
You suck.
Where's my sprayer?
I don't know.
I don't know either, that's the problem. You know what else is the problem? I have the thing on to where I can like see where the nearest cleaning supplies are, but I don't see any symbols anywhere. There's a clear problem here.
Did you throw out the window by accident or something?
I don't think so.
Go and get a new one.
Bro, what happened to it?
I don't know.
Oh, neither. %69% clean.
Yo.
Hey, you're already going up?
Yeah, 'cause I finished.
But like,
You never wait for me.
cause you didn't wait for me.
What?
The cycle is it's a toxic, infinite cycle. Listen. I dropped my gun. That's probably what happened to the last one, is I was jumping around the stairs and I dropped it.
Flaps.
Huh? Claps and blaps?
Flaps and flaps. Yeah, you really did set the table really perfectly.
Hmm?
Really did set the table perfectly.
Oh,
Sure
oh,
as
oh yeah,
flaps
the
and
bear.
flaps.
I'm not hearing any claps nor blaps.
No, my. I'll find us a different one. Which one do you want to hear?
I don't know, put on any. That's not annoying.
Alright, I'll just stick my hand in and whatever comes up is what I'm choosing.
Uh-oh. Wait, you're still down there, right?
What?
Yeah.
I have to give you a thing.
What? What?
Wait, don't come up yet. He's your son.
Look at me. Look at me go.
Alright, hang on. I'll get the security camera. Yeah, there you go. What happens if I throw something down and then, like, I look at the security camera?
Oh.
Hang on. I'll throw your broom down. Oh, is this already... Wait, ready?
Mm-hmm.
It happened, it fell behind you. I don't even know where you are from up here. I just see you on the camera.
Wait, look at me, look at me, look at me.
A silly little jig.
Anyways. Broom, thank you very much. Now I can't roll up the stairs, but I will.
Nope. Oh. Checker, there has to be a cassette here.
Is there no room there?
Yes.
It's raining.
Oh! Alright, hey, there's a nice little area up here on the checkers. You'll never guess what the cassette's called.
Checkers?
Checkers.
Checkers. Don't throw it down, by the way. Set it gently on the ground. Please. Set it on the ground. Set it on the ground. Not
Like,
that
over the
kind of
edge?
ground. Not that kind of ground. That ground. No. I said no. Thank you.
I wasn't setting it gently on the ground either.
It's close enough.
What, do you want to handle the cassettes?
Yes, I handle the cassette. You're just fine, if you want.
Dude, come on.
No, I don't want to lose them.
I won't lose it!
You throw them.
I was gonna jump out with it!
I don't trust you.
Look, watch, ready? That's so far down. Peace out!
Alright. Now, put it in.
I know how to do with the cassette. Why is the thing, like, on his side on the ground?
I throw him. Sparkle?
Hey, is this from Deltarune?
Sounds. Sparkle.
This is the thing when you fight the K round. I demuted it.
Yeah, I think so.
I know so.
Okay.
Hi. Are you at Checkers?
You?
Oh hi. I couldn't see you. I got scared. Yeah, isn't this nice? It has like a nice outside area.
Yeah. But I also gotta go up now.
I hope I find a puddle and drag you back down here. So before we reach the top, we gotta make sure we're at 100%, you know?
Yeah. Oh. 85.
Yo!
Yo!
Let's go!
I'm a big kid now.
Open.
Oh my gosh, where's the CEO? Where did Mr. CEOs go?
He was here yesterday.
Oh my gosh. Our
Our money dispenser is gone.
Oh, hello.
Huh?
No, nothing.
Why is your dialogue considerably slower than mine?
That's how it's almost last time, too.
Stop it. What do you... You like my funky dance?
It looks horrible. Yeah!
Headbanging.
BB.
Wait, ah! I turned around and I was being assaulted with a broom. Can you move out of my way?
No, I don't know. Oh, I turned collision on, by the way.
I noticed. By the way, you shoved me into a water ball earlier. It was very scary. It caught me off guard. Da-da-da-da-da. Ooh. Kevin smells good.
Kevin smells good.
Kevin smells good. You heard me. Cassette. Oh, also break windows. I broke it with a pencil.
Amazing. Also, I'm pretty sure it's chalk. Can you break these?
You pretty sure it's what?
A pen.
This
Oh,
is a
chalk,
pencil.
chalk.
This is a pencil. Look at it right now. Look at my hands right now.
Oh, I was looking at the other stuff. I thought you meant that.
No. What happened to the apple?
I threw it
To our house?
out the window.
Towards our house, right?
I don't know.
I wanted that apple.
Snail.
Cassette.
Snail, I wanted that apple. You got us the apple, right, Snail?
Magic school bus.
What? What? Oh, bye? Okay.
Where'd it go?
I'm throwing you a colored thing at you.
Wait, I dropped a cassette tape, but I don't know where it went.
Good job, idiot. Here, I'm throwing it down.
I'm not even looking. I'm getting this.
It went behind you. You turn around.
Magic school.
There's a pink thing somewhere, but I can't see where it landed. Oh, it's by the button. You know, I don't know what I expected from the thing called the Magic School Bus. I'm looking at the cameras right now. Blue button. Blue, just go to the blue button. Dude, I love your little shimmy. Can you please get the pink thing? How are you dancing on beat? Can you please get the pink thing now? That's not the pink thing. Buy the blue button.
Oh, okay.
Buy the blue button. That you fail. The blue please. You didn't get it. Please get it. Please.
It's rolling.
What do you mean it's rolling? Boop. Get it!
It's rolling.
Just put it inside.
Okay, watch this, watch this.
Wait.
It's in there.
Help. I ran to the teacher with my arm extended and she started talking to me.
Hate it when that happens, man. I'm walking with my arm out and someone just talks to me.
Alright. What does it say? For a moment. I found a thing that says sorry. I think it's very crucial that we own it.